set A is a subset of R and let C be the cluster point of A. Then for the function A to R, let us consider the two functions f and g which are continuous at C. C is the cluster point and point C belongs to the set A. Then combination of functions f and g is also a continuous function, that is f plus g is also a continuous function. Similarly, difference of f and g is also a continuous function, that is f minus g is also a continuous function. Let k belongs to R, then kf and kg also continuous functions. That means f and g are continuous, and if you multiply them by suitable number, then resulting functions also continuous at C belongs to A. The product of functions f and g also a continuous function. The division of f and g is also a continuous function. That means f divided by g is nothing but a continuous function if only if f and g are continuous. From above, it is clear that f plus g, f minus g, k into f into g and f upon g, all these functions are continuous functions at C. C is the cluster point of given set A. If z of x equals to f of x plus g of x, and if f of x is continuous function and g of x is also a continuous function, then z of x, which is nothing but combination of two continuous function, is also a continuous function. Let us understand this by taking one example. Let z of x equals to sin x plus cos x. Let f of x equals to sin x and g of x equals to cos x. Thus, z of x equals to f of x plus g of x. F of x equals to sin x. Sin x is continuous function for all values of x. Similarly, cos x, that is g of x equals to cos x, is also continuous function for all values of x. Thus, z of x is a combination of f of x and g of x. F of x is continuous function and g of x is also continuous function. That means z of x is addition of two continuous functions. Addition of two continuous functions. So as per as the rule, the addition of two continuous function is also continuous. Therefore, z of x is continuous function. From this example, it is clear whenever you got the two continuous function at a particular value of x, their addition is also a continuous function. If z of x equals to sin x multiplied to cos x, is z of x is continuous function. Let f of x equals to sin x and g of x equals to cos x. Therefore, z of x equals to f of x multiplied to g of x. Since f of x equals to sin x, that is continuous function for all values of x. G of x equals to cos x, that is also nothing but a continuous function for all values of x. Therefore, z of x is product of two continuous functions. Product of two continuous functions. Since z of x equals to sin x multiplied to cos x, multiplying and dividing by 2, so 1 by 2, 2 sin x and cos x equals to 1 upon 2 sin 2x. So z of x equals to 1 upon 2 sin 2x. Since we know that sin 2x is also a continuous function, for all values of x. Therefore, z of x equals to continuous function. Implies product of two continuous functions is also a continuous function. Hence proved. If z of x equals to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x cube plus 1 is z of x continuous? Question mark. Let p of x equals to x raised to 4 plus 1 and q of x equals to x cube plus 1. Therefore, z of x equals to p of x upon q of x. P of x is a polynomial and q of x is also a polynomial. Since polynomial function is continuous at every point on R, therefore p of x is continuous on R and q of x is continuous on R. Both polynomials are continuous on R. Therefore, resulting function of p of x upon q of x is also a continuous function. Implies z of x is continuous.